Hey guys, how y'all doing? By the way, if y'all don't know, my name is DaWanda, and today I have an unboxing from nailsupply.glamour.com, and I want to share this box with y'all. Okay, gonna go ahead and open it. Try not to cut my fingers off. I don't know how many people like unboxing, but I love watching people unbox goodies. I'm sorry. I like to see what other people use, to see if I can try it and see if it works for me. I like everything that works, you hear me? And if I have to keep watching unboxings to see what works and what doesn't work, see, I almost cut my doggone hand, y'all. Ooh, these scissors sharp. And what works, I will continue to watch unboxing, especially when it comes down to nails, because that's what I like to do. Okay, woo. I had all my information right there on the top, showing the world, showing the world. All right. Let's see if I got everything I ordered. Oh, I didn't order this, so I guess this is free. I always like free stuff. Now, with that, you have to spend $75 or more to get free shipping. And the state of Texas, if it's in the state of Texas and you order online, you're going to always have sales tax. So, y'all have to keep that in mind. So, what I do to get them sale taxes off, I find somebody with a discount code. I don't care if I got to search online or go to YouTube to see who buy products from them and see if they have a discount code. So I won't have to pay them sale taxes. So they covering the sale taxes. And if I order $75, I have free shipping. So this is straight sale. That's it. No taxes and no shipping. And that's not how I like to do things. But you know what? They're getting outrageous because now they're talking about $100, $200 you have to pay to get free shipping. I don't know what's going on, but hey. But yeah, they gave me 2 of these, which is free. It's just some clear droppers, and I think they look like they plastic, if I'm not mistaken. I like to use these anyway. Oh, they gave me 3, so I wonder if it came with my something else. Why would they give me 3 of these? I don't know. But hey, it's 3 of them. I don't think I paid 99 cents. Oh, I know what it's for. I know what it's for, y'all. So I'm going to show y'all what these droppers for. Let me find a product. Let me just take all this out the box, okay? So, you know. I know what those droppers for. I did cut my finger. Look at that. Man. I didn't even realize it. It just started bleeding. That is not good. Ooh, I just used acetone. Oh, that's the wrong thing to use. I'm burning. I just used acetone on this and took all my polish off. Girl, now you know. Woo. I tell you, used the wrong container. I'm at the shop, so I just, I'm not gonna worry about it. I'll just have to polish that nail over. And I'll show y'all what this polish is I got on my hand in a minute. But anyway, let me get all this out the box. Let me get all this out. Okay, box is empty. Okay, I bought this Swarovski crystal matte. And I like how look how it's so, you got the sizes on here, from the sizes on how the sizes look. And I think this accurate sizes for the rhinestones. It's not a plastic mat. It looked like something like a mouse pad. But I thought it was more on the plastic side. So I can actually spray this down with alcohol and sanitize it. I don't too much like foam stuff. So let me feel this and see how I like the way this feels. Because it do feel like a mouse pad. Oh, I just put blood on there. Ain't that bad. And I'm going to have to get that off with acetone. I need to wrap my finger with a Band-Aid, huh? But I thought this was plastic. This ain't nothing but like a material foam thing. I don't know about this. It's pretty, but it sure is big. I thought it was smaller than this. I didn't see no measurements on the website. Unless I just didn't look at it. But 357. I got all these sizes, but the one sizes I like to use is the 20, 16, 12s, and number 6, which they don't have number 6 there. I'm surprised they got 7 on here. Why? I wonder if this is the original Swarovski mat, unless this is a knockoff. Oh, how much was this? $6 for this. $6 for this, and this look like a mouse pad, y'all. I'm not too fond of this. I like plastic or silicone stuff. I do not like fabric stuff. You see how I got my blood stain on here? And now, okay, I don't know about this, y'all, but it's okay, y'all. It's okay, but if you like this kind of material, which I'm not too fond of, hey, it look like it's nice quality. It has a grip, but I rather the silicone stuff that you can wipe off, sanitize, and you done with it. I don't like fabric stuff like this because I don't know about the wear and tear and it start peeling and stuff from the bottom part of it. But this actually looks like a mouse pad to me. If y'all think this look like a mouse pad, y'all leave a comment below because this is what this look like to me, a mouse pad. A mouse pad. Okay, we're gonna put that to the side. I got some body tools, which is a nose trimmer. I need this. This is my own personal nose trimmer, y'all. Y'all know them little halves. You don't want to stick no sharp little small scissors in your nose because you wind up cutting your nose. Like I just cut my doggone finger. And that's all this is. That thing got nothing to do with nails, y'all. And I bought some of these little glass things. You can buy 3 of them as a set, not just one. It came with 3 as a set. And it's a reason why I bought 3 of these. And I'm glad they had 3 of them. They pretty thick. Oh no, it came with 4, y'all. It came with 4. It came with 4 sets for $2.99, which is not bad because I think at Sally's each of these are like $2. So I got 4 of these for $2.99. And the reason why I got 4 is because of these right here. I bought some nail art drops. And that's what those droppers was for. Those droppers that they came with. It came with the droppers. That's what those droppers came from. I hope I don't think they just came with 3 of these nail art droppers, and it includes the glass droppers. And this set right here was $14.99. Everywhere else they kind of expensive. They like $10 a piece for each one. So I thought, I don't know how good this is. You always get a blue, yellow, and red, which these are the primary colors that you know, mix to make other colors. So that's that. That's why I want to try these nail arts, and I was gonna use these little glass things to mix your monomer and stuff in. To do it with, you can mix these with monomers. You can also use these as like marbling, tie-dye, stuff like that with alcohol. And that's what these little containers for. Okay. Always buying something with a purpose, y'all. If you don't buy something with a purpose, what you doing? You're wasting your money. You don't want to collect stuff you're not going to use. Because what they do, collect dust. And who like dusting for nothing? I bought the Meal Secret. I wanted to try this from my girl. I watch her all the time. Natalie Kimona, I think her name is. She always used this to attach her rhinestones. So I'm gonna see if I like this. These came with 3. They were out of stock with the one that you can purchase just one. So they only had 3 of these, and I think it was like $17 for 3. Yeah, $7.99, and you get all 3 of these for $17.99. So ooh, that's kind of expensive for 3 nail glues. So you're talking about over $5 for each one. So I hope this do really good to adhere rhinestones. Okay, if you don't know the reason why people use nail glue to adhere rhinestones on the nail and then they backdoor and put the gel polish, they do this because they don't want the gel polish to make it look so thick on the nail to where it doesn't look like your rhinestones are sitting there. It's not floating in gel. It don't look like it's floating in gel. So they want it to look more thin. And when you apply the gel underneath it, it makes it look like it's just thick and it's floating in gel. So they want to make it, they use the glue to attach the rhinestones because they want it to look more flatter on the nail instead of look raised up on the nail. So that's the difference. People use the nail glue, some people use the gel. It depends on if you can keep the nails, the rhinestones, adhere the rhinestones good with this, or adhere the rhinestones good with the gel. Whichever one you prefer. If you feel that this is not keeping your rhinestones on for your clients, don't use this, because you know what, you charging about $2 for each rhinestone sometime. You know, I've heard people charge $2 for one rhinestone. And if you think about you putting all these rhinestones on these people's nails for $2 for each one, they better stay on there. So however you apply your rhinestones, that's up to you. I just want to try this and I want to see, because I want to see if this work. And I do like the look. I do like the look of it being flat and not look like it's just immersed in gel, because that's most of the time how it look like when you use gel instead of glue first. It doesn't look refined and flat. And sometimes even though you surround the gel with it, it still kind of make the rhinestones not so much clarity in it still. But that's the reason why people use nail glue, okay? And that's why some people use gel, because people paying for those rhinestones and you want them to stay on the nail. So the only way you feel that them rhinestones stay on their nail throughout their whole set, you guys to use whichever product that work, okay? So I'm gonna see if this work, because I do like that flat look from applying glue first and then using that thin top coat to secure them. Okay, I bought some metallic nail art powder. I don't know how good this is. I will feature this in a video. See how I like them. They are metallic. These were $17.99. That's not bad for 6 colors, because most of the time each one is like $10. One powder, $10. You hear me? So that's not bad. That's not bad. 1/4 ounce, a 1/4 ounce. Okay, last thing that I purchased. What's this? This is a nail art 5-piece powder and liquid set. And I love these things, y'all. And how I use this, instead of using those containers. Ooh, why am I taking this out? This thing right here was $17.99 too. But they had one that had just 3, which I like, that you can just pull out and you can just have one clear and you can have your other 2 things for your glasses. And that's what I do. I take those out and put my glasses in there for my monomers and my what liquid I'm using. And this is how it look, guys. These little holes, you can put your brushes on there, but I don't use that for that. And that's how they look. I like this, but the only thing I do not like putting monomer in stainless steel. I don't know why. I just don't feel comfortable putting that chemical, that monomer chemical up in stainless steel, because I don't know how metal and that reacts to each other. So I really just take these out and I use the glass to put up in there. That's how I'm going to do this the same way too. I don't know. I just don't care for metal and monomer together. I've seen people use it and they like it, but that's just my opinion. You know, it might be false. I don't know if it's a reaction or whatever with metal and that monomer. I don't even want to chance it, but you know, it's just safer when things are in a glass, not metal. I'm sorry. That's just my opinion. If it's a powder, it's fine, but if it's a liquid, I just do not like liquids. A chemical liquid inside stainless steel. That's just me, okay? And I just think these things so cute. So I'm going to go back in there and order that 3 one. So, and normally I have the clear in this one, the white in this one, and a pink in that one. And I use 1 glass here for like a brush cleaner. And I use this one for my monomer that I'm using, and that's my setup. That is my setup when I want to, you know, use, when I do acrylics. This is my setup. And y'all, this is just extra stuff, you know, extra stuff, which I'm sick, you know, I'm sorry. But that 3 one would be very good, because I would just have a clear there and I use my 2 things for my liquid. So I'm thinking about just going ahead and get that too. I want to see how that small one really do good. But I like this one too, because you already have your pink in that. But you know, I'm not always using this and it's just sitting up in here. So that's why I just wanted that 3rd one just for this. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, I have another unboxing from my my special nail place that I go to all the time, and I'm gonna be taping that one soon after I finish this one. But I hope y'all all enjoyed this video, y'all. And like I said, I will be featuring this, and I will be trying this out. I'll let y'all know if this works, if I like it. You know, I'm always trying to find some glue to work. You hear me? Some glue to work. Okay, y'all, this is my time. Glad y'all joined me. Until next time, y'all have a smiley day. Bye. Oh, wait a minute. I told y'all I was going to tell y'all what's on my nails, if anybody is curious. And that's just only the Color Club. Y'all know I love my Color Club holographic powder polish. That's the Color Club in Beyond. Get this straight here. Beyond Color Club holographic polish, and top coat with this, my favorite. I will do a favorite video, y'all. I would have to do a favorite video. I have so many favorites that I use all the time. Nobody can tell me to change it. You hear me? Nobody can tell me to switch. All right, y'all.